Hey everyone, welcome back to the By Reviews channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the portable air conditioner. The 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is informative, well-structured, and extremely helpful for viewers considering this unit for their home or office. The content provides a clear demonstration of the AC unit's cooling power, effectively showcasing how it can cool up to 700 square feet with ease. You did an excellent job highlighting its three-in-one functionality: air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, which is a major selling point for consumers looking to optimize both space and energy efficiency. The pacing of the video is just right, allowing viewers to absorb key information without feeling overwhelmed. Your explanation of the setup process, including how to attach the window kit and exhaust hose, is clear and practical, especially valuable for first-time users. The video quality is good, and the close-up shots of the control panel and remote add to the viewer's understanding of the features. You also covered energy efficiency nicely, noting its eco-friendly operation and low energy consumption relative to its cooling capacity. However, you could enhance this section by mentioning any specific Energy Star ratings or estimated yearly power costs. The noise level comparison is another useful touch, as many buyers are concerned about sound, especially in bedrooms or home offices. A few areas could benefit from minor improvement. Consider adding a quick summary or pros/cons list at the end for easy recall. Including footage or testimonials from multiple room types, like bedrooms, kitchens, or open-plan spaces, would help demonstrate its versatility in different environments. Overall, your video strikes a great balance between demonstration and explanation. It's a reliable resource for anyone considering this model and clearly reflects your effort and experience. Viewers will walk away feeling more confident in making a purchase decision. Subscribe, like, and share